everybody. Welcome back to CNS Corvettes in, well, hurricane-laden Florida. It's not here yet, but it's coming. One last thing for us to deal with this week, evidently. I just wanted to walk you around the shop today. I was out of town for the last 5 days, so I'm kind of playing catch-up ball. My son had a race up in South Carolina. Now I'm back, and I'm all caught up. So we're going to walk around, and I'm going to show you something you're rarely going to see here. There are no customer Corvettes waiting to be picked up because I don't want customer Corvettes here when there's a hurricane coming, because I just don't want to be responsible for that. So thankfully those cars were completed on time. The couple that are here are going to remain inside on the lift for the duration of whatever we have coming our way. Let's take a walk. So we have a few jobs in right now. One of them I think we're going to go into detail in a separate video. Actually, come in, it's easier this way. So we have a late C5, 0304, and over here we have a 2000 C5, both convertibles, both having fuel pump issues. But the systems, the fuel tank systems, the sending units and everything are very different. Even though these two cars look identical other than the color, very different systems. And we're going to cover that in a separate video, but both Andy and Blake are working hard to get these done. This car, the red one, customer said it sat for 1.5 years. I'm thinking more like 5.5 years, because the fuel that came out of this, follow me, I'm going to show you the fuel that came out of this car. That is gasoline. That is not coolant, that's not oil. That's how old that gasoline is. And I know we don't have smell-o-vision here, but it smells like furniture varnish. And it is full of all kinds of gunk and impurities. And it actually ate all the plastic in the sending units in the tanks on that red car. So we're having to deal with that right now. Blake's taking on a little bit of task of his own. Customer brought in his C6 to have a spoiler put on the car. You see Blake's making good headway here. This is actually a bolt-on spoiler. It's not a stick-on, so Blake had to do some measuring and drill the holes right. But it's coming out real nice. The customer also elected to go with the upgraded LED third brake light. And I think he's going to be real happy with that install. So that car is going home. These cars are going to stay on the lift for the next couple of days. And well, I'll update you as soon as we know more about this storm. Anyway, great seeing you. I'm back in the shop. Back to work. See you soon.